Surrounded by myriad mockups, my tasks became a joyous breeze, simplifying my work effortlessly.
Wow!
A mockup creates its own universe of possibilities and representations. Within the realm of mockups lies a sanctuary of simplicity and comfort for us. In today's tutorial on HLGRAPHICS, we're diving into the world of mockups. Mockups are invaluable tools for designers, offering a quick and efficient way to showcase designs in realistic settings. From business cards to t-shirts, caps to buildings, there's a mockup for every project. The beauty of mockups lies in their versatility and ease of use. Thanks to countless websites offering free mockups, designers can access a vast array of options without breaking the bank. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of finding and downloading mockups, as well as demonstrate how seamlessly they integrate into Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering mockups will undoubtedly enhance your design workflow. So let's dive in and elevate your designs to the next level. Allow me to guide you through the process of downloading the mockups.
Okay.
Here I have opened a great website called Freepik. Type t-shirt in the search bar. There will be heaps of free and premium t-shirts in front of you. These are all for you. You can benefit from them very easily. They can be downloaded easily. Click here on Up Free and Mockups as well. These shirt mockups are fantastic. I've personally incorporated them into several of my projects with outstanding results. I'll exemplify by downloading a t-shirt. I trust you can handle this effortlessly. I'm choosing a black shirt first. We'll right-click and open a new tab. Now here we will click on Free Download and then wait a bit.
Yeah, boy.
After a while, when the download is complete, a page will open in front of us where you can click on the PSD file. On the right side is the View Layer panel, where the graphic is written on the first layer. And a small Smart Object thumbnail is created. Double-click it. A new page has opened before me. You can change any design with this t-shirt mockup. I have a design created in Illustrator. I will drag it to Photoshop. Now I will hide the bottom layer. I will go to the top bar and cross it and click on Yes. Take it your work is complete. Wow, how beautiful it looks.
Wow!
You can easily change any color of your design. This is the advantage of mockups, that we can change the color of the t-shirt and also change the color of our design. Utilizing these t-shirt mockups in Photoshop has consistently yielded exceptional results, enabling me to earn a lucrative income. I encourage you to explore this avenue for yourself, as the potential for success is certainly within reach. In this video, I've focused solely on demonstrating how to utilize t-shirt mockups, but stay tuned for my next installment where I'll explore a variety of other mockup options such as caps, buildings, frames, and business cards. There's a plethora of exciting mockup possibilities awaiting exploration in the upcoming video. If you've enjoyed my content, I'd love to hear your feedback. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for my next video. I promise to deliver more engaging content that you won't want to miss. This is the list of websites where you can get your mockups.